customer bringing a swivel locked up. It's one of our new Series 3s. Probably been in the field about 4 years, 5 years. And I'm just going to go through on how quick you can change the cartridge out. Even if you're out in the field, all you need is a crescent wrench really and a 9/16. The first thing you want to do when your swivel breaks down in the field is get your 9/16, lock it on the shaft, and lock it in the ribs of the cover. Grab your crescent wrench or a 7/8 opening wrench and spin the shaft off by putting the wrench on the nut part below the shaft. Spin the shaft off. Flip your cover back over and use a crescent wrench on the cap. Put the wrench on the nut on top of the cap. Just turn it to the left. It should come loose. Spin the cap off. Always check for the O-ring. It'll usually stick in the cap. Just pop that O-ring out. Just come from underneath with your hand and just push up on the shaft, and the cartridge assembly will come out this way. Just discard your old cartridge. Grab your new cartridge, which make sure your O-ring's in the groove. Sometimes we put a little grease around there to hold it in. Just take the new cartridge, slip it in from the top. Be careful to align it, don't force it. It's a very tight fit, so you have to get it aligned just right. And once it starts, and you push it down with your fingers like that. Take your cap, O-ring in place, make sure of that. Let your cap drop on, push down and twist to the right. It should catch the threads. Snug it up. Take your wrench and just snug it up till it's soft. Flip your machine back over. Put your 9/16 back on the flats on the shaft. Lock it in the ribs. And I usually use a little Teflon tape on there or pipe dope to lubricate the thread so it comes off easier next time you have to take it off. Spin your spray bar on by hand. Be careful not to cross thread it. And grab it in the center like this with one hand. Just snug it up. And you're done. You can go back to work.